Oh, hey, welcome back to C- Garage. In this episode, we buy 2 Chevy Blazers for $500. This one just has a fueling issue. This one's knocking like the cops are at the door. I think we're just gonna take it out in the field, put the pedal to the metal, see if we can blow it up. If you guys wanna see that, subscribe and watch that next episode. This is my son, Nicholas. This is going to be his ride for high school. You can tell he's already rocking the 90s trucking guy.
He's been on this forever.
So what we did so far is we checked fuses in it, and it's got the fuses are good. We checked the relays in it, and they were good. We went ahead and put a power probe on the back fuel pump wire, and I didn't have power at the time. So I did find a ground off back here, and I think that's what was causing the issue. No ground to the body. ECM doesn't tell the fuel pump to turn on, So I did that. Now I got power back there. And I checked the fuel pump itself because it still wasn't making noise. Fuel pump's bad. So went out, we bought one, got a new one. We're going to slap it in.
Yes, sir.
Let's see what we do. So we already got the tank out. We just got to pull all this jazz off, get the fuel pump out, switch it out, bing, bang, boom. This kid's going to slide under there and put it up in there. So let's work on getting this off. That ain't gonna work. I gotta replace the fuel pump because this is nasty. This isn't gonna work. It's a good thing that we took this out because that's not gonna work. And this tank is nasty.
Yeah.
I don't think there's any way that the fuel is gonna get through there. Look at that. The rubber's all gone. Every wire on this thing's corroded off of there. We got a brand new one. So we'll take this bad boy over and we'll put it in and see if it works. Well, while my other son's off cleaning the tank out for us with his buddy Carson, we did get this thing to run off of a bottle. This truck we were going to give to my youngest son, Nicholas. We're probably going to end up taking this thing on hot rod power tour because I don't think the 57 is going to be ready. What do you think of your new truck?
I love it. It's just, a couple things. A couple of these lights don't work. That window doesn't work. Motor's out. The fuel pump didn't work, and the gas tank is full of crap.
Yeah, but we did install one important thing.
Yeah, we installed this radio.
Chicks dig radios. Gotta have good tunes. 90s. Can't tell that he enjoys this truck, do you?
I was sitting in here just like this.
Yeah, I see you. Well, this is defeating. Had him wash this tank out. And it is still super crusty on top. And there's no way I can spray that out. I mean, I got the bottom clean. We're gonna end up having to buy another tank. Otherwise, we're just gonna clog up the new pump. So, well, we had to go to the parts store because we're gonna get a new tank. It's coming tomorrow. But we gotta run to Walmart and get some stuff called mechanic in a bottle. The guy recommended.
Yeah, we never heard of it.
Never heard of it. I was gonna use Seafoam, but he said mechanic in a bottle is way better. Gets rid of carbon, kills dinosaurs or something. I don't know.
Something like that. Yeah.
So we're gonna do that. We got a fuel filter. We're gonna go get mechanic in a bottle, and we're gonna continue on. But we won't get the tank until tomorrow.
Yeah, and we got like 4 cans of brake cleaner.
Yeah.
So.
Just in case. While we're waiting for the fuel tank to come in that we ordered, we're gonna go ahead and change out the fuel filter, blow out the lines because there's a lot of crustiness in that too. Somebody already had this open.
I'm ready.
135 psi. Anything?
Yep.
Bunch of nasty?
Yep. Okay, so that's all that we're gonna be able to do tonight. Can't do nothing without this new gas tank in, so that's gonna come in tomorrow. And so we can see you guys on
Hey, you know what the problem is? I don't know where the camera is anymore. I always look over here because
on this side.
it's normally like this.
I know, it's right here.
Yeah, so. Try again.
All right, so that's all that we can do tonight because we don't have this new gas tank. Why are you laughing?
Because I looked over here again.
Just keep your eyes focused right here.
Okay.
Okay, so that's all that we can do tonight because we don't have this new gas tank. Once we get that in, we can throw that in, see if we can get it running. But we will see you guys on 2.
Yeah, there we go. I don't know what that was. Ooh, it felt weird. Now I got all these different clothes on. Anyways, we got the new gas tank in. We're gonna get that sending unit slapped up in there and get rid of this crusty old thing because, ooh, man, we could not clean that out. And then try and get it up in there, hook the lines up, splash a little fuel in it, hit the key, see if we get some fire. Somebody beat this all in. Thanks a lot, O'Reilly's. We got the tank in, all the lines on. It's a little tougher than I thought it was gonna be. We're gonna get Nicholas to fill her up with some fuel. Hit the key, see what we got. I don't know, you excited?
I am.
I hope it works, man. Ooh, this is a pain. It's a lot of work just to see if a truck will run. We don't even know if the engine runs perfect yet, but we'll go ahead and put the gas in.
I am.
Put the gas in.
I thought you were gonna shut the camera off and then we were gonna...
No, we're gonna put it in. We're gonna do this live, baby. Yeah. Anyways, get it in there. Don't spill it.
Try not to.
Glub, glub, glub. Here comes the fuel. This thing got some speed holes in it. I didn't even notice it. Speed holes. You know how I know there's speed holes? Blow the rubber clear off this deal. Dang. So we were going to turn the key and then see if we can fill the line, but we still need to change out that fuel filter. We brought some wrenches and we let it soak with some peanut butter blaster.
Peanut butter blaster.
So we'll try and do that first before we actually turn the key. So we're gonna change out this fuel fit. Yeah. Yeah. What in the world?
You think maybe you're going the wrong way?
I don't think so. Maybe. I mean, I'm not always the smartest dude in the world. What in the world? Righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? Yeah. I'm going right way. Oh my goodness.
See, when a man struggles with something that seems trivial, his primal instinct tends to come out.
A good idea too. Here. Nope. Here. That's just so this isn't gonna get a fuel filter right now.
Yeah, we're not doing this right now.
Okay. Moment of truth. Here's what we're gonna do. So get in there.
Yep.
So you're gonna turn the key on.
Okay.
To the on position, run. You're gonna cycle it.
What do you mean?
You're gonna turn the lights to where the lights come on.
Okay.
And that's it. You're not gonna start.
Okay.
Now turn it off, on,
Okay, you let the
off. We're gonna let it pump fuel. So go ahead and turn it on. Shut it off. Turn it back on. Off. Back on. Try and start it. Yeah, boy. Yeah. It's gonna take a minute there. Here we go, boys. We got her. Just needed a fuel pump. Everything. I probably just need to run for a while now. Well, there you have it. We got it running. Not too shabby for a couple of goofballs. I think we put a new fuel tank in it, a new sending unit, new fuel pump, lines, and new radio. Gotta have the tune. But it runs pretty good. Check it out. Yeah, I like it. So like I said in the beginning of the video, since we got this bad boy running, I think what we're gonna do is take this old girl out and see if we can't pop that engine. Put her to the wood, as they say. Let her eat. See if we can make a piston leave the chat. What do you think? You wanna do that?
Yes, sir.
All right, so like I said, like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, and we'll see you on the next video.